Hello everybody, and hope you're having a great day. For this video, I'm going to show you how to back up some things on your store. So let's go to the bottom left and select Tools, then Data Export. And then from here you can export a CSV file of things such as your customers, orders, products, etc. And to do that, click the blue Select button, and then the top right hand corner of the screen, the green Export button. Now let's go to the bottom left and select Themes. And then underneath your theme there will be a gear icon. If you select that, you can either clone or export. If you do a clone, that'll make a local backup of your theme on your store, and it'll be listed under recently installed themes. Or if you export it, a zip file of your theme will be created and you can download it to your computer. You can also have content pages backed up, but they can only be backed up by support. So if you need that done, send in a support request and we'd be happy to send it to you. And finally, we're going to back up HTML. So let's edit our theme, and then go to an HTML page. I'm going to select Category, then HTML Editor, and then our code is listed. Now I'm going to select it all by pressing Ctrl-A on my keyboard, or if you're on a Mac, Command-A, or if you right-click, you can do Select All. And now I'm going to copy this code, and you can just paste this in a text document if you like, or if you go to the top right and select More Actions, then Layouts, and then top right again, the green New button. I'm going to give the layout name Test Backup, and the file name I'm going to call it Test Backup as well, and then Save. And then once the page is refreshed, we'll see our backup listed. Now, let's actually click on the path, and this will load the new layout we created, and we can see that if we go to the top left and we see Test Backup. Now, all we have to do is press Ctrl-A again, and then delete the code, and then paste the code that we copied earlier, and then save. And now, this layout is saved with our previous code.